Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for all traders out there, especially if you want to maximize your profits and minimize your costs. If you're interested in cryptocurrency trading, you've likely heard of BingX, a dynamic trading platform designed for efficiency and convenience. Our focus today is on how you can benefit from using the BingX Referral code, CHUCHU, to secure fantastic discounts on trading fees. That's right. By entering this referral code, you can enjoy a reduced trading fee, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned profits in your pocket. So, what exactly is BingX? It's a user-friendly platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. With its wide range of trading pairs, advanced trading tools, and a robust interface, BingX offers everything you need to enhance your trading experience. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the referral code CHUCHU. When you register on BingX and use our referral code, you unlock exclusive discounts that can significantly lower your trading fees. This means you can trade more effectively without worrying about high costs eating into your potential gains. Additionally, using the referral code is easy. Simply enter CHUCHU when prompted during your registration process. By doing so, you not only give yourself an advantage, but also support the Crypto Horizon community, enabling us to continue bringing you valuable insights and tips in the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, every trade counts, and these discounts can add up quickly. So whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the countless altcoins available on the platform, utilizing the BingX referral code CHUCHU is a smart move. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to elevate your trading game. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing for more quality content and tips tailored for the crypto enthusiast. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.